quota 1 and my absent number is 7. Today's goal is to make an egg toast. Stop. The ingredients needed to make an egg toast is white bread, margarine, a slice of cheese, an egg, and the sauce, tomato, mayonnaise, and chili sauce. The first step is to put the butter on the white bread. The second step is to put the slice of cheese on the white bread. Then put the mayonnaise on top of the white bread. Then put the tomato sauce on top of it. After that, put the chili sauce on top of it too.
Itu udah the last. Kan kamu cair nggak bisa kamu. 1, 2.
Then put the egg on top of it. Then put the bread inside the air fryer and cook it. Then you want to cook it at 180 degree and 5 minutes. And with that, the egg toast is finally finished. It is ready to be served and eat. Thank you for watching.